Guys, so I have a couple things that I want to try. I just wanted to let you know about real quick that I got because I have a problem. Okay, so Naked Heat Petite palette from Urban Decay. So this one actually, there we go, it opens. So it's super cute. It's supposed to be based on the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, but different colors. So we've got different colors, Strike, Heist, Wild Thing, Hot Spell, Vibrate, and Inhale. So they're all super pretty warm tones, oranges, kind of like a purpley brown. And so they're all matte. They're really nice colors. Let me show you. I have the Naked Heat. So here's the original, I'll show this. Here's the original Naked Heat palette. So when you open it, there you go, bada boom, bada bing. That's what you got. And the mini is right here. So it looks like it has some similar colors, but I will tell you, Wild Thing is a brighter orange. Heist looks similar to He Devil. Let's look. Ha! But in fact, when swatched, Heist is darker than He Devil, and Strike similar to Ashes. So let's see. But Ashes is a lot purplier, a lot more purple, and Strike is a lot browner. So they are different. So look at the size. Oops. So there is a stark difference between the sizes. But I do feel like this is cute for little on the goes, just quick, throw in your purse, do your makeup. They're nice colors, warm colors. If you like this shade range, you can do a lot of basic nude, orangey nude eyeshadow looks. So this is fairly basic, 26 bucks. I think it's 26 bucks. Maybe somewhere around there. Somewhere around there, but I like it. So, and it's Urban Decay, so some of them are hit or miss, but this one actually has really nice, decent pigment, blends out really well, and you can build it, and it's lovely. So I approve. I tested it, I liked it. I actually really did like it. It was actually easier to come up with a basic look with this than it was with this, because you're just like overwhelmed. You're like, oh my god, which one's gonna do, which one's gonna do? I want to use all of them. So I like it. I really like it a lot. And then I got the Christiane Urban Decay Daydream eyeshadow palette. I wasn't gonna get this because I got the Kaleidoscope one, super multicolored. I like it. I wasn't gonna get this because it was super basic, but it went on sale for like $11, so I bought it. Really nice transition shades, a color Deepen Up, and a more rosy color, and of course a white. I like to use the white as the brow bone and kind of like blend everything together. I haven't used it yet, but I can use this little itty bitty brush to swatch it for you. So let's see. I don't know why I started with subscribe. So subscribe is right here, which actually shows up all on me. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. A lot better. I'll zoom in a minute than I thought. Kind of like powdery, but I mean, I kind of dug in there. So Lucy is this top white one. Not bad. So the pigment is just not, it's not bad. Daydream, lighter. Whoa, a lot of kick up. So that's 1212, and that's a little pinkier on me. A little less peach, more pink. And then we have 8, which is going to be the dark shade, a purpley browny shade. And they're actually not bad. There we go. I was really concerned that they weren't going to show up on me at all, but they're actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're actually not bad, and I can use them to just do some basic colors, which actually, considering that I have the colorful palette, this actually might be really good to work in unison with it, so I can have my transition shades and not dip into somewhere else, or have a bold look but not have it like crazy bold, but be able to really like round it off. So not bad for 11 bucks. Come on now. So then I got her 2 lipsticks. I already got Bun Bun because I really liked it, and I actually got it again because it went down to $8 and I have a problem, and Bun Bun was so nice that I got it back up. But I also ended up getting her 2 other colors, which I wasn't going to get because they're purple. Not that I don't like purple. I like purple. I have purple. But I just didn't know, like, purple. So let's try this. So this one is Cloud 9, and it is purple. 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 It's a bright purple. It's a fun purple. It actually, it looks fun. It goes to my shirt, my unicorn shirt. So, I like it. I like it. I like it. So I took it off and it left a bit of a stain, but it's okay because I'm going to put the darker one on now. So this is Spellbound. It is a darker purple, but there you go. Very dark purple, vampy, very pretty. You know, their formula is on point. It smells a little chemically. Like, I wish they would like wouldn't smell it, but it's not bad at all. And so, there you go. That's Spellbound. So that's actually really nice. I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. So I got 3 more lips. I don't know if you can tell, but kind of a lipstick junkie. So I got this at Sephora because why not? It's the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe. I wasn't gonna get it, and I swatched it, and I thought it was like magic, absolute magic. So this one is in, which one is this one in? There's like 3 of them, or 2. Will you tell me what you are? Shameless. So it is gorgeous. What a see the color. It's gonna be swatched right here. It's like a gold with like a rose. Oh yeah, it's so pretty. And Rose Pearl Bite Beauty lip gloss. We're gonna swatch it right here. Oh, okay. So it's very similar, but it's more, actually it's pretty darn similar. I want to say we have a near dupe. Look at that. So that's the Bite Beauty, and that's the Huda. So pretty darn similar. Oh my goodness. I want to say the Huda feels a little thicker than the Bite Beauty one, but a darn near match. Can we really see? Look at that. I would say Huda's just a little like lighter pinky, but pretty darn close. Pretty darn close. I'm excited. That's really nice. I like that. I'm happy. So 2 more things I found was the Urban Decay is launching more lipsticks. So they're doing from like the Heat palette, the Fuel. There was a couple more, but this is a Fuel 2.0, which is the one that like got me excited. And then they also had this Ultraviolet Edge, Urban Decay's global initiative to empower women. So 100% of the purchase of this lipstick, okay, 100% of the purchase price of this lipstick funds the Ultraviolet Edge, which is to empower women. So I got it. Look, pretty purple packaging, the pretty flower on it. Open it, and it is it looks like a metallicized actually whenever you look closer. Yep, Outspoken. It's called Outspoken, which, hello, that's an awesome name. And let's go ahead and swatch Fuel 2.0 and Outspoken on my lips right now. Let me take this off. Okay, so I will start with Fuel. Fuel is a nudie shade, of course. Very caramely, a very caramely nude shade. I like caramely, I like caramel. Oh, it feels so good. My lips are so nutty. We're swatching. And it's a cream. So this one's a little darker. This one's a little darker than Fuel. It's Fuel 2.0, but it's really nice. It feels really good. It looks really good on my skin tone, so I'm not heating it. Alright. then last but not least, pinky, purpley. Does it look that bad? My face is so good. So it's actually really nice. I got it just because the 100% of the proceeds go towards supporting women and all that, and I love the name that was outspoken, so that's the majority of the reason I got it. It could have been like any color, it could have been like yellow. I would like that too, but it could have been any color and I would have bought it. But so I really would have bought it no matter what. I like it. I just lucked out in the color, but I really like supporting in these causes where they all donate all the proceeds and all of that, and any way I can help, and I get a lipstick, so I'm happy about it. So that is what I got, the little bit of high-end makeup purchases, and if I like it, if I not, I'm gonna still try them. So maybe I'll let you know if I don't say anything about them, it means they were okay. If I say something about them, if they're bad, then I'll tell you in a bad video or something like that. And if they're great, then I'll tell you in a good video. So far so good. That's what I can tell you. First impression, so far so good. With the exception of the Naked Heat. It's just the one that I've actually like worn and lasted all day. Did really nice. Easy peasy. So other than that, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again. Hope you like this video and have a good day. Bye.